So this week I had a meeting with Sheba. I've adapted as much feedback as I could, although some of them I couldn't do. This one, for example, I couldn't do because the textures. This is the same texture, although as you can see, the red is completely different in color. So I mean, I couldn't do it. I have shortened down the mobile level. I have made the jungle a little bit easier to navigate. So as you can see, this is before I added blockers in here, but I have added like little areas where there's like lights for the doorways, and like it's a lot easier to navigate, I think. I've added fog of war, which was the initial plan or part of my objectives or features that I wanted to add. So here you can see the fog of war. I had to change this move WASD sprint left shift to lighter color to help the player see it. I couldn't add in more consistent monsters because I can only go with what is available to me, and I couldn't find the amount of monsters that I would need that would be consistent. The monsters are meant to be placeholders anyway, because they are not sci-fi monsters, they're more fantasy genre. So that's the reason why they were there. They were just there as placeholders, and I can't really add probably about 10 different monsters into the same project with them all being consistent. It wouldn't be feasible unless I created them myself, which is not possible. Regarding the space station, I've added more lighting to help with the dark areas that showed up on the floor because it didn't light correctly. I fixed both the door animation, so the doors now slide up when you trigger the box, and I've also fixed the elevator animation, and that is also the end of the level. Unfortunately, I can't have it so that it automatically closes when you enter a trigger box. I tried, it didn't work, so you're just going to have to Alt F4 out. I've created the heuristics analysis on all the beta feedbacks and the reflection reports on the post-mortem. I still got some more work to do with like this bit, and I've got like the heuristics design bit to do, so I've kind of done this bit backwards. I've started working on the town, so a lot of the feedback that I had, which was like add special buildings, see-through door frames, etc. So that was actually quite a lot of it. Spread houses out more. That was already done because of the I've recreated the level, and door frames. Well, the new models that I'm using are full models. You can't see through it. I've also added like more distinct buildings. This is, well, I try to. This is a blacksmith's area thing, and as you can see, it does not suit the level whatsoever. So what I've done is I've just added like little bits to symbolise where stores would be, and there's a market area. So that should be easy enough to sort out. I've started doing a video demonstration. So as you can see here, I've got like a little intro. That's 5 seconds long, and then it will go into this recording. So this is all question 1 and 2. So there's the aims, there's the objectives. I don't know why it still says aims here, because it should say objectives, but that's an easy fix. And then when it comes to here, as you can see, the images that I'm talking about are shown in the top right. That is because I'm going to have the gameplay demo in the background the whole time, because I've got 10 minutes to showcase that. And as much as, it would be a pain in the ass to do it when it says, oh yeah, and this is the gameplay demo in the last bit of this, I have no way to sort of answer all the rest of the questions if I'm doing that, because I've got 5 levels to showcase. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the whole demo playing throughout, so there's going to be 2 minutes of each level, unless I can't get like X, Y, and Z done. So the biggest issue with that would be the isometric level, because I've got a lot of work to do there, and if I can't get it done in time, then this could potentially just like give me a little bit more time to do it with like other levels, but the isometric level would just be like a still image or whatever. But that's the plan. I've got and I've also written a little script on it to help um, with what I need to say. So I've got that going on. Um, I'm still currently working on this, and I've got an idea of how to fix this bit. So they've suggested make it day and night. I don't want to because my feature was meant to have a day and night cycle. So I'm going to try and sort out a skybox that I can have as day and night instead of it being day and then it goes slightly darker and then slightly open again. So that's what I'm going to try and sort out. And then in the metrics, I have done exactly 42 hours, which is cool. I like it. But that's what I've got so far. I'm happy with my progress. I am a bit stressed out about how much I've got to do in 1 week, but I'll get there. Thank you.